Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your microphone settings inside of Microsoft Clipchamp. So if you'll notice when you open the settings menu, there isn't really much you can configure. You only have like your general, your local storage, your export settings, your OneDrive, and your project import buttons. You don't really have the customizability of adjusting your inputs, and that's because your inputs are usually handled by a different sort of menu. So, for example, if you're using the desktop application, what you're going to be interested in is your default microphone. So, to change your default microphone, simply right click on the volume icon here, click on sound settings, and it should show you your input and output devices. So what we're interested here is the input section. As you can see, I have a few devices set up and we're interested in selecting the proper microphone. Right now I have it set to my NVIDIA broadcast. You can also set it to your other microphones if needed. So that's how you can make sure you're using the right microphone on if you're using the desktop device or the desktop application, sorry. If you're using Clipchamp on your browser, it's pretty much the same process, but this time we're going to be looking at your Google settings. So I'm going to go and click on the menu button at the top right hand side of my screen or in my Chrome window, and then I'm going to click on settings. And then I'm simply going to search in the settings search bar microphone, and we should be able to see underneath site settings, you can see there's an option here called microphone. So once you click on that, you're going to be able to change the input device that Google Chrome uses from this little drop down menu. So just make sure it's set to the right one. Usually it follows the system default, as you can see, but sometimes it does change randomly. So that's pretty much it. Just make sure you followed the steps I've shown you to open up the right menus and just double check always which input device you're using. Like for example, if you're on a laptop, you might have it unknowingly set to your laptop microphone instead of your dedicated microphone. So there's going to be a massive difference in the quality of recordings. That's pretty much it for this video, though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.